What you are looking at here is a 45 square foot garden built using the square foot gardening method alongside the container garden we installed for Auntie Efua. Now if you are hearing square foot garden for the first time, it's actually a very simple idea. You divide your garden bed into 1 foot by 1 foot squares, and each square is dedicated to a particular plant. And the beauty of it is that you can grow quite a lot of food in a relatively small space while reducing weeds and making the garden much easier to manage. But before we got here, this garden looked completely different. At Dondo Gardens, every garden we build for a client starts with home consultation. Auntie Efua had actually tried gardening before. She tried growing vegetables in dispenser bottles, but unfortunately the results were not encouraging. And after trying different things without much success, she was almost ready to give up on home gardening until she discovered Dondo Gardens. She reached out to us and we told her, "Auntie, don't worry." And when we came for the consultation, we quickly identified the major problem. The soil in this garden was mainly laterite. This was actually used as foundation fill during the construction of the house, so we knew exactly what needed to be done. We dedicated 2 days to completing this project, and on the first morning, very early, we brought in 1 full trip of nutrient-rich black soil. Then the real work began. Manual excavation. The team started removing the laterite from the garden, going down to approximately half a meter. And let me tell you, this was not the glamorous part of gardening. There was plenty of digging, lifting, sweating, but that's the work behind the beautiful gardens you eventually see on camera. Once we removed the laterite, we filled the garden with the black soil. We spread it evenly, leveled the entire area, and then came an important step: watering the soil. This helps the soil settle properly so we can see its true compact level before we start constructing the garden. And slowly, we could already see the transformation taking place. It was beginning to look like a place where food would actually grow. Then Auntie Efua came around for our first on-camera interaction. When you see a client who had almost given up, now standing beside a garden that is finally beginning to make sense, that one feels good. Hello everyone, welcome to Dondo Gardens. I'm here with my mother today, Mama Efua. She's my mother because her son bears my name, so I'm equally her son. We are here today to help her to be able to grow food at home. Auntie Efua contacted us to assist her because she has this space for garden, but for a very long time it was like a very unproductive space. The soil that was over here wasn't a soil that was good or that could plant anything. It was filled with laterite. Then when she called us for consultation, we came, we took a look at it, and then we decided that no, the soil had to change. So today I came here with my team and we excavated. We did very deep digging and removed the laterite from the space, and then we refilled with black soil, proper black soil. So with this, we're also going to mix it with some manure and some cocoa peat and other things that can boost the soil's fertility. Then we'll be doing the planting. We dedicated 2 days for this project, so today we came here purposely to do the groundwork, to just dig, change the soil, and then hopefully by, let me say, tomorrow we would come and do the planting. We would also bring you that coverage as well. So Auntie Efua, how have you seen our work so far?
Thank you so much, Michael. It's a joy having you in my home, and as I saw you on TikTok and all that you were doing, I was impressed, and I felt that it was just the right opportune time to get in touch with you, and you did it so speedily, and today you are here with your team to expedite the work that I'm looking forward to. I'm very happy you are doing at such a time as this, just before the rains set in, so that we can really find yield in all that we will plant. So I'm very happy that you have come. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you too. Thank you for having us. And we are looking forward to doing a very wonderful job for you. We are 50% through the work. We've done the most difficult part of the work. What is left is for us to go ahead and do the planting for her. We gave her the opportunity to list the vegetables and herbs that she wants to grow, and we are providing all of that for her. Okay?
Thank you.
So very soon, I'm sure that you are going to have a very beautiful harvest, and then you can invite us for some feast.
God bless you. I'm looking forward to that, and I hope that as soon as possible I'll be able to harvest something that you can come and join me to feast in. Our family are very grateful. Every member of our family is grateful that you have been able to come. So thank you, and once again.
Thank you too. So guys, don't go anywhere. Stay with us. We'll bring you all the coverage, including the planting session as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, and bye. After that, I guided the team to install the square foot grid using PVC pipes. We measured, aligned, and fixed everything properly, and when we finished, it looked beautiful, neat, simple, accurate, and honestly, I was proud of what we had achieved together. We also filled the dispenser bottles with black soil and arranged them neatly along the wall. So now, instead of those bottles sitting around without much purpose, they've become part of the garden. And just like that, day one was complete. This is only part 1 of Auntie Efua's garden transformation. Catch us in the next episode for part 2, because that's when we really bring this garden to life. And trust me, you don't want to miss what happened next. Dondo Gardens, let's grow together.